Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In this video, we are going to learn the most trending technology, which is nothing but a chatbot developed by artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is nothing but ChatGPT. Let's see what is ChatGPT. In this video, we will see what is ChatGPT, how to register it, and how to use this ChatGPT. Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This is the full form for ChatGPT, which is an AI powered language model which is developed by OpenAI. So it is a chatbot. It will give answers if we type one question. If any type of question if you type, it will give some answer. And if you give another question, and it will read that first question, and based on that previous questions, it will reply like to the present question. So it's a conversational based chatbot. So in this OpenAI website, we can see like they said we have trained a model called ChatGPT, which interacts in conversational way. So conversational way means like whether two persons are talking. If two persons are talking like that, these chatbot will give the conversational way of replying that answers. So let's get started. Go to Google. I'm typing ChatGPT, and here it's a OpenAI. Click on this link, and I am to register in this. We are signing up. So give email address. I'm giving .NET tutor online at the rate gmail.com. Password you can keep as your wish. You can see. I am typed a password. Continue. And we can see here verify your mail. Open Gmail and click for verification. Here I got the mail and verify email address. Click on it, and we can see here you can register here like first name. I'm giving .NET tutor. You can give the birthday as you wish, like I'm giving 08 1992. Verify your phone number. It is asking phone number. Let's give. You can give. I'm giving the phone number. Do you have WhatsApp? Click yes. Send code via WhatsApp. You got some code to the WhatsApp. Let's type that one. And here we get, yeah, now chatbot is opened. It's an AI chatbot. The registered mail address we can see here, and here they gave some examples how to ask the chat gpt. Explain quantum computing, you can ask the question regarding your subject or lesson. um, and you can say remember what user said earlier. You can see the limitations also there. So, and one warning is like we should not enter any personal information like phone number, mail id, and also like passwords. So because the AI people, the AI trainers will read this all the data for analysis purpose. So please be aware while typing. Please don't give any personal information or sensitive information. Like now, shall we ask one question? What is ChatGPT? I'm asking this question. So see here it is generating automatically. The description is coming for us. So it is generated some text, some description. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT architecture. It's designed to generate human-like text responses in conversational manner. So this is the description about ChatGPT. So what is the difference between chatbot and ChatGPT? Yeah, chatbot, like it will not understand, and it will not just it will give direct answers for the direct questions. But here it will like it will understood the question, and another, if you ask another question, it will replies like by understanding the previous question. Like suppose if I say like what are the uses of it, it means normal chatbot it won't understand what is it. But here we asked regarding chat gpt, so it means it will understand. Oh, it is asking, user is asking about me about chat gpt, it means. So just send it. So see here it understood like it is user asked about chat gpt again. So it is the chatbot developed by artificial intelligence. So it will understand the concept of a situation of user asking which type of questions, and how to reply. So here we can regenerate the and regenerate this answer by clicking here regenerate. So it is a customer support content generation we can use for this, and we can use for personal assistant, tutoring and education purpose. We can use creative thing, writing, entertainment and gaming, and many of this. For suppose I'm asking another question, what are the tourist, what are the most visited places in Hyderabad? See, Hyderabad, the capital city, about Charminar, Golconda, Qutub Shahi tombs, Salar Jang Museum, Hussain Sagar Lake, Ramoji Film City, Birla Mandir, Chawla Mahal Palace, Lumbini Park, Nehru Zoological Park, Shilparamam, Falaknama Palace, Birla Science Museum. See, these are the most visited places in Hyderabad. So simply we can get the answer. We can get the answer as an essay from ChatGPT. If you like this response, you can send the feedback, provide additional feedback, submit feedback. And if you want to copy this response, then you can click here. It is copied. And now you can paste in the notepad, or else where another else anywhere in the another application you can paste there. I'm pasting here, control V. See, simply we are getting an easy way. So and here left side menu, side navigation menu, you have your answers, your responses will be saved here, your questions will be saved here. So you can delete it, or you can edit and give some title, chat gpt definition. So we can edit that, edit this title, or we can, you can delete this response. This will delete chat gpt definition, delete it. So it is deleted. That's it guys for now. For most trending technologies, please stay tuned on .NET Tutor, and please share this video for the needy people. So thank you.